Everybody, welcome back to another video about Gala token. Absolutely, Gala will broke all the records of cryptocurrencies market, and Gala token will make you millionaire. This is the emergency video for all of you guys, especially my subscriber. That is very special, a surprise gift video for all of you if you want a profit from a cryptocurrencies market. So Gala token is a big opportunity with all of you. You can see here, guys, I'm just talking about the price changes of a Gala token. 200 plus positive changes occur in a Gala token just in 24 hours. Just in 24 hours, 200 plus changes occur in the Gala token. And on the other side, guys, if you talk about the price of a Gala token, so the price is very low. Due to low price and due to positive changes, I request all of you to invest in a Gala token, guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new in my channel, so I request you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Gala token, guys. I hope, guys, you're feeling very good, very good about the Gala token, guys. Furthermore, guys, let me show you the trading volume. 2000 plus the trading volume increase just in 24 hours. 2000 plus 2500% people investing in a Gala token. First time I saw this in cryptocurrencies market, guys. First time. Really, don't miss this opportunity, guys. That's really a huge opportunity with all of you. So please never miss this opportunity. You can see here, just look here, trading volume. Unbelievable, guys. First time, that's very unbelievable. 593% trading volume increase in Gala token. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates videos, guys.